This compost bin from Stone Space makes eco-friendly living super easy. With a sealed, odor-blocking lid and 1.3-gallon capacity, it's perfect for collecting food scraps right on your countertop or mounted to a cabinet. The sleek blue design blends into any kitchen, while the hanging hook option keeps it off your workspace. Whether you're meal prepping or just cleaning up, this compact compost bucket helps you reduce waste without the mess or the smell. This meal prep kitchen station is built for foodies on the move. Whether you're camping, grilling, tailgating, or just need an outdoor setup, this portable prep station has you covered. With built-in compartments, sturdy surfaces, and easy mobility, you can chop, season, and serve wherever the party is. It's like a mini kitchen in a box, perfect for BBQs, outdoor feasts, or weekend adventures. Compact, convenient, and ready to roll with your next cookout. This breakfast sandwich maker from Hamilton Beach lets you build your dream breakfast in just minutes. With separate cooking layers and an egg cooker ring, you can stack your favorite ingredients on English muffins, croissants, or even mini waffles. It's quick, easy, and endlessly customizable, perfect for busy mornings or lazy weekends. Whether it's bacon and egg or veggie and cheese, this little machine delivers cafe-style sandwiches at home. Also, it makes a top-tier white elephant gift, fun, functional, and delicious. This 4-slice toaster brings modern vibes and serious toast game to your kitchen. With extra-wide slots, dual control panels, and an ultra-clear LED display, you get custom shade settings for everyone's perfect crunch. Whether you're defrosting frozen waffles, toasting bagels, or canceling mid-toast, oops, it's all just a button away. Plus, removable crumb trays make cleanup a breeze. Sleek stainless steel design means it looks as good as it performs. Breakfast just got an upgrade. This food warming mat keeps your meals hot and your guests even happier. With full-surface graphene heating, 6 temperature settings, and a 6-hour timer, it's built for buffets, family dinners, and party spreads. The rollable design makes it super easy to store and carry, while the sleek gray finish blends right into any table setup. Whether it's a holiday feast or casual get-together, this warming tray makes sure the food stays warm and the vibes stay cozy. This egg bite maker brings cafe-style bites right to your kitchen, minus the fancy price tag. With sous vide-style cooking and silicone molds, you can whip up protein-packed egg bites, sweet treats, or low-carb snacks in just minutes. It's perfect for keto, paleo, or just anyone who wants a fast, healthy breakfast. Great for busy mornings, meal prep, or late-night cravings. Just pour, cook, and enjoy. Plus, it's compact, easy to clean, and crazy cute. This rapid egg cooker is your shortcut to perfect eggs, every time. Boil up to 6 eggs, soft, medium, or hard, or switch it up and make poached eggs or omelets with ease. Just add water, hit the button, and let it work its magic. With auto shut-off for worry-free cooking and a BPA-free build, it's safe, simple, and speedy. Plus, that pop of green? Total kitchen glow-up. Breakfast just got a whole lot better, and faster. This expandable dish rack is the kitchen MVP you didn't know you needed. With a sleek, collapsible design and stainless steel build, it handles your post-meal mess like a pro. The large capacity fits plates, bowls, and even pots, while the included cutlery holder keeps your silverware in check. Plus, it folds down flat when not in use. Hello, counter space. Whether you've got a big fam or tiny apartment, this rack flexes with your needs in both style and size. This upgraded silicone soap dish keeps your bar high, dry, and living its best life. With strong suction and a smart waterfall-style drainage design, it sticks firmly to your shower wall and lets water flow right off. No more mushy mess. It's easy to clean, super durable, and holds onto your soap like a loyal little sidekick. Keep your bar soap clean, organized, and always ready to lather. Minimal fuss, maximum freshness. This soap grinder is the glow-up your bar soap's been waiting for. Just mount it on the wall, no tools, no drama, and twist to turn solid soap into fluffy, ready-to-use flakes. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or even your travel setup. No more soggy soap sitting around, and way less waste. Plus, it's waterproof, sleek, and super satisfying to use. Just grind, lather, rinse, repeat. This cordless electric spin mop takes cleaning to the next level. With a powerful motor, LED headlight, and water spray function, It glides across floors, leaving them spotless without the hassle. The 300 milliliters water tank gives you up to 60 minutes of cleaning time, and the super quiet operation means you can mop without waking up the house. Plus, the detachable battery and sleek design make it easy to charge and store. Floor care? Handle. This home ottoman is the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Upholstered in a soft beige fabric, it doubles as a storage bench and extra seating for your living room or bedroom. With a safety hinge for easy access and a sturdy design that holds up to 330 pounds, it's perfect for keeping your space organized without sacrificing style. Whether it's blankets, shoes, or extra pillows, this ottoman has you covered while keeping things neat and chic. This glass rinser is your new best friend in the kitchen. Designed to quickly clean baby bottles, bar glasses, or any container, it attaches right to your kitchen sink faucet. With just a press, the automatic flushing device sprays high-pressure water to rinse out any residue, perfect for quick cleanups. Whether you're rinsing out glasses after a party or prepping baby bottles, this easy-to-use tool makes your life way easier and your sink way cleaner. This blade-made ceiling fan blade cleaner makes dusting a breeze, even for those high ceilings. With its extendable pole, you can easily reach fan blades and cobwebs without needing a ladder. The reusable microfiber pads trap dust and dirt, leaving your fan blades spotless. Whether you're cleaning your fan, walls, or ceilings, this flexible tool ensures you can do it safely and efficiently. No more dusty fans, no more hassle, just clean, fresh air. This upgraded potato ricer is a game changer for your kitchen. Made of durable stainless steel, it's perfect for creating smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes and purees. The multi-hole design makes mashing easy, whether you're prepping baby food or cooking up a big batch of potatoes. Its heavy-duty build ensures long-lasting use, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Get your mashed potatoes just right, smooth, creamy, and effortless. This LifeWit rice dispenser is the ultimate storage solution for your kitchen pantry. With a 25 pounds capacity, it keeps your rice fresh and moisture-free, thanks to its sealed, BPA-free design. The built-in measuring cup makes it easy to portion out just the right amount, so you can cook with precision. Whether you're stocking up for the week or keeping your grains in check, this dispenser adds convenience and organization to your kitchen storage game. This charcuterie board set is a must-have for any entertaining enthusiast. Made from premium bamboo, this large cheese board gives you all the space you need to showcase your favorite cheeses, meats, and snacks in style. It's the perfect housewarming gift, bridal shower present, or birthday surprise for those who love to host. Plus, it comes with all the accessories you need to elevate your serving game, making any occasion feel extra special. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.